How to order on Superbuy. In this full guide, I will walk you through every step to place an order successfully. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to superbuy.com and create an account if you don't have one. Step 2. Copy the product link from a Chinese site like Taobao or 1688. Or you can just browse here. Step 3. Paste it into the Superbuy search bar and wait for the product details to load. Step 4. Choose the specifications like size, color, and quantity. Step 5. Click Add to Cart and then proceed to the checkout. Step 6. Superbuy will purchase the item on your behalf and store it in their warehouse. Step 7. Once it arrives, go to My Orders and click Submit Delivery to choose a shipping method. Step 8. Pay for international shipping and wait for your tracking number. Step 9. Track the package until it arrives at your address. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.